Hey there, today we need to shade a region on a graph. Our inequality says 5x take away 4y is less than or equal to 20. Let's do this step by step. It's going to be fun. First, let's change that less than or equal to sign into an equals sign. This gives us a straight line. We will draw this line first and then figure out which side to shade. Let's find where the line crosses the x-axis. We put y equal to 0. Then we get 5x equals 20. Split 20 into 5 equal parts and we get x equals 4. So our first point is 4, 0. Now let's find where the line crosses the y-axis. We put x equal to 0. Then we get negative 4i equals 20. Split 20 into 4 equal parts and we get 5. But it's negative, so y equals negative 5. Our second point is 0, negative 5. Now, let's draw a straight line through our 2 points, 4, 0 and 0, negative 5. We use a solid line because our sign says less than or equal to. The equal part means points on the line count 2. Now the big question, which side do we shade? Let's test the point 0, 0, which is the origin. We put in 0 for x and 0 for y. We get 0 and 0 is less than or equal to 20. That's true. So we shade the side that has the origin. If we rewrite the inequality to get I by itself, we see I is greater than or equal to 5/4 x take away 5. This tells us to shade above the line, the side where y values are bigger. That's the same side as the origin. We're done. Our answer is the shaded region above the solid line, which is the side that has the origin. Every single point in that shaded area makes 5x take away 4e less than or equal to 20. Great job.